So hello student, today we are going to learn about synonyms, and learning about synonyms is a great way to widen our vocabulary. Okay, so synonyms are the word. First of all, let us know what does mean of synonyms. Synonyms are words that mean the same thing. For example, let us we have a mad. So what does mean mad? Mad simply it indicates angry. The another word of mad is an angry. Okay, so synonyms means the similar meaning, that has a similar meaning. So mad means angry. The next word we have small. Small means tiny. The next, think about the synonyms you just saw. What part of speech were they? Okay, this is the question for you. Comment on the given. Okay, so think about the word elephant. It is a noun. Do you think a noun can have a synonym? Why or why not? This question is just for you. Explain or just comment your answer. So time to practice. Now let us practice some synonym. Okay. So we have the word sad. So sad means you can just call it sad. In other word, like unhappy means the same thing as sad. So unhappy, or it may also sound like sorrowful. So another word we have large. Large means big, or you can say huge or wide. Fast means speedy, quick, swift. And quick spelling, don't misunderstand, just quick. Okay, quick. And the next word we have advanced means developed. Ancient means old. Feeble, weak. Bold means brave. And the next one, eager, means desirous. And the last, shiver, means tremble. So thank you everyone, we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.